Good evening. My name is Alyssa binti Noradzni with metric number 205751.
Hi, my name is Jun Zhi. My metric number is 206735.
We are here this evening to talk about feasibility of colonizing Mars. As we all know, the human population is growing every year. There were 7.8 billion people on the Earth in September 2020. Increased people mean more demand for resources like water, food, and land. Elon Musk believes that uh, humankind must depart Earth to secure our species' survival in the event of catastrophe or disaster. As a result, he chooses Mars because Mars is the strongest potential for colonization in our solar system. All other planets can be ruled out due to severe temperatures, toxic atmosphere, and gravity levels that are beyond human tolerance. However, the Mars colonizing project are not feasible due to physical condition in Mars, which is completely different. There are some reasons regarding to its current physical state in Mars. First is the planet Mars. The planet Mars has no gravity at all. The gravity on Mars surface is much lower than on Earth, which is 62% lower to be exact. A human weighing 100 kg on Earth will only weigh 38 kg on Mars, which is merely 0.38 of the Earth's standards. Due to this gravity, structural materials will be more durable with less force pressing down on them, which allowing for more complex handheld systems. However, there is a detrimental effect on health. According to recent study of International Space Station ISS astronauts, they acknowledge that mission duration ranging from 4 to 6 months show a maximum loss of 30% muscle from performance and maximum loss of 15% muscle mass. Thus, it clearly will affect colonists' health, muscle mass, bone density, organ function, and even eyesight. Next, there is no farmable land in Mars. The colonization requires plants to convert carbon dioxide to oxygen and as a continuous food resource. According to several studies, scientists found that plants can actually grow on Martian soil, which is Mars soils. Furthermore, watering plants on Mars may use less water than it does on Earth. This is due to the fact that water will flow differently through Martian soil. Even the soil on Mars can hold more water than on Earth. However, Mars' extreme cold temperature, which the average surface temperature is negative 63 degrees Celsius compared to Earth's 14 degrees Celsius. Hence, it makes plants difficult to sustain.
Thank you, Alyssa. So just now, Alyssa talked about the physical condition of the Mars. So now I will continue with the next point, which is readiness of technology. And today, we're just gonna focus on two type of technology, which is rocket and also oxygen conversion. Okay, so let me start by telling you a scientist story. Okay, there is a scientist. He wanted to colonize Mars, but he found that Mars has only negative 63 degrees Celsius and has only 0.174% of oxygen gas. So he decided to create an atmosphere around Mars, which can trap the heat to increase the temperature and produce breathable air. Okay, so he wanted to create 78% of nitrogen gas and 20% of oxygen gas on Mars. So currently Mars has 96% of carbon dioxide. And luckily, he found that some element in Mars soil is actually usable and useful to create nitrogen gas and also oxygen gas. Okay, it sounds good, but the machine is too heavy and big for current technology. So especially for rocket, for information, rocket need to 90% of total weight of the rocket must be filled to escape the atmosphere of the Earth. And only 1% of payload weight is available. And 6 months of traveling time from Earth to Mars. So if we want to send a huge blast furnace to the Mars, it's totally impossible. And the scientists didn't give up. He created another technology called BER, which is bioelectrochemical reactor. So this BER is more efficient because it does not require an additional chemical reaction and utilize the electrons from a cathode directly. So the simple reaction means the less reaction to convert those gases means less weight needs to be sent to the Mars, less weight of the machine. But it sounds good. Actually, the oxygen conversion system is actually bad because it has low rate of reaction in BR, and for adult it needs 662 grams of oxygen per day, but the BR needs 100 days in a 100-liter reactor to produce this amount. So we have come to the end of our presentation. In conclusion, colonization of Mars is not feasible because of what Alyssa said just now, physical condition in Mars, which has low gravity, which leads to several diseases and no farmable land. And the next main point is weaknesses of technology, which is weight constraint of rocket and low rate of oxygen conversion. So we've come to the end of our presentation. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.